Hello again, fourth graders. It's homework time. Get your Succeed book. Let's open to page 153. We'll look at the Lesson 8 homework helper. Here we see 5 times 731. They're showing how to do it on the place value chart by drawing all the discs. They started with 700s, 3 10s, and 1 1s, and they made 5 groups of 731, and they showed their bundling and composing until they got their final answer that had 3 thousands, 600s, 5 10s, and 5 1s, and that equals 3,655. Then they show the partial product strategy, 731 times 5. The first step is to multiply the 5 times the ones digit. 5 times 1 1 is 5. The second step is to multiply the 5 times the tens digit. 5 times 3 tens is 150. Then the third step is to multiply the 5 times the hundreds digit. 5 times 7 hundreds is 35 hundreds, or 3,500. Then add them all together. Final answer, 3,655. And look, it's the same as they got on the place value chart. Turn the page. Let's work on number 1. It says, represent the following expressions with discs, regrouping as necessary, writing a matching expression, and recording the partial products vertically as shown below. We're doing 2 times 424. They already started making 424. We need to make 2 groups of 424. So let's draw the second row of 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 ones. So what we see here in the place value chart is that we did 2 times 4 hundreds. Then we have 2 times 2 tens. There's 2 rows of 2 tens, and 2 times 4 ones, because there's 2 rows of 4 ones. Now let's see, can we do any bundling and composing? I see there are 8 ones. That's not enough to regroup, okay? There are 4 tens. That's not enough to bundle and compose. And how about the hundreds? I count 8 hundreds. That's not enough to bundle either. So that means we're going to leave them how they are. So let's see what we got. How many hundreds do we have? 8. How many tens? 4. And how many ones? 8. We got 848. Now let's show the partial product strategy. They already started part of it for us. So our first step is we do 2 times the ones digit. So 2 times 4 ones. Fill that in over here. What's 2 times 4 ones? 2 times 4 equals 8. Our next step is to do 2 times the tens digit. 2 times, look right here, 2 tens. Let's fill that in for the second step. What's 2 times 2 tens? 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 tens is what number? 4 tens is 40, so that goes here. Now the next step is to multiply the 2 times the hundreds digit. 2 times, we're going to put this in unit form, 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds. I'm going to abbreviate 400. What's 2 times 4 hundreds equal? 2 times 4 is 8. Make it 8 hundreds. What does that look like? 800. Now we add them together. Add them up. What do you got? Did you get 848? Good job. That matches our place value chart. Okay, you could try letter B on your own. Let's go down to letter C. This one doesn't have a place value chart ready for us. We will need to make one. And notice it has 1,424. So that means we're going to need thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones columns. Okay, so thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Now we're going to start by making 1,000, 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 ones. So let's draw those discs. 1,000, 4 hundreds, 2 tens, 4 ones. Now it says we're multiplying by 4, so we need 4 rows of 1,424. So make your other rows. They all have to be the same. 1,000s, 400s, 2 tens, and 4 ones. After you have all your discs drawn, now we have to see if we could do any regrouping. Can we bundle and compose? Do we have enough ones? Yes, we do. We have 16 ones. Do we bundle all of them together? No, we bundled 10, groups of 10. Circle around 10 of them, and those get composed into 110. So these 10 ones were bundled and composed. There's still some ones left though. Is there enough to make another bundle? No, that's not enough. All right, let's check and see. Do we have enough tens to bundle and compose into 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope, that's not enough. All right, how about the hundreds? Do we have enough to bundle hundreds into 1,000? How many do we bundle together? 10. Do we have enough? Count them. Yes, we do. We have 16 hundreds. Should I bundle all of them? No, only bundle 10 of them. Count 10 hundreds. Bundle and compose. And those 10 hundreds make 1,000. Okay, now let's label what we have in each column. How many thousands do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hundreds do we have? 6. How many tens do we have? 9. And how many ones do we have? 6. We got 5,696. Okay, now let's do our partial product strategy. This one's going to have 4 steps because there are 4 digits in this number that we're multiplying. 1,424 times 4. The first step is to do 4 times 4 ones. Write that here. What's 4 times 4 ones equal? 16. Now the second step, what do we multiply next? The 4 times the tens digit. So 4 times 2 tens. Write that here. What's 4 times 2 tens equal? That would be 8 tens. What number is 8 tens? 80. Okay, now we're on the third step. What's the third step? We multiply the 4 times the hundreds digit. So 4 times 4 hundreds. What's 4 times 4 hundreds? 4 times 4 is 16. What is 16 hundreds? What would that look like? It looks like this, 16 and then 2 zeros. Another name for 1600s is 1600. Okay, our next step is 4 times the thousands digit. So 4 times 1000. What's 4 times 1000 equal? Did you say 4,000? That's good. Make sure all your place value columns are lined up neatly so you can add. Now we add everything together. Add your columns and see what you get. Did you get 5,696? Good, that matches the place value chart. Okay, let's turn the page. This is page 156. We're on number 2, letter B we will do together. We're going to do our place value discs and the partial products. First, let's make a place value chart. Let's do all 4 columns. Thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. We're making the number 642. So we need 600s discs, 4 tens, and 2 ones. This is one row of 642. How many rows are we going to need? 5 rows. 5 rows that look just like this of 642. Work on your second row. Now work on your third row. And keep going until you have 5 rows. I have my 5 rows. Now we need to do our bundling and composing. First, we'll start in the ones place. Let's see if we have enough to bundle and compose a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we can bundle and compose. 10 ones get composed into 110. Now there are no ones left. Now let's see if we can bundle and compose some tens. Remember, we bundle together groups of 10. Do we have enough to bundle? Yes, we do. Circle around 10 tens and compose into 100s. Now those have been composed. Can I do another bundle of 10 tens? Do I have enough? Yes, I do. Circle around 10 more tens. And that gets composed into 100. Well, those have been composed. And now I just have 110 left there. Now let's look at our hundreds. Can we make bundles? Yes, there are lots of hundreds. We're going to bundle together 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds get composed into 1,000. So count carefully, circle around 10 hundreds. Bundle and compose. I make 1,000. Can I do another bundle? Oh yes, there's plenty more. Count 10 more hundreds. Make sure you count carefully. Here's my next bundle of 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds gets composed into 1,000. How those are composed. Let me see if I have enough to do another bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yes. Bundle and compose to another 1,000. Now there are just 2 more hundreds that are not bundled and composed. And there are 3,000s. That's not enough to bundle. Let's label what we have in each column. How many thousands? 3. How many hundreds do we have now? These 2 right here. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 0. Let's put our comma here. We got 3,210. Now let's do our partial product strategy on the side. 642 times 5. Let's label the first step. First, we multiply the 5 times the 2 ones. What's 5 times 2 ones? 5 times 2 is 10, right? 10. Second step, now we multiply the 5 times the 4 tens. Write that here. What's 5 times 4 tens? 5 times 4 is 20. What number is 20 tens? It would be 20 with another 0 on the end. So 20 tens is 200. Now what's the third step? See if you can label it. 5 times 6 hundreds. What is 5 times 6 hundreds? 5 times 6 equals 30. What's 30 hundreds? 30 hundreds means we write the number 30 with 2 more zeros after it. 30 hundreds. Put your comma in. It's also called 3,000. Now we add it all together. Add your columns, see what you get. Did you get 3,210? Good job. It matches our place value chart. Now you could try some of the other problems on your own. I know you can do it. You're a smart cookie. See you next time. Bye.